Hello students, today we are going to do the explanation of More on Word chapter. Today will be the last video explaining this chapter. There will be three topics which we are going to discuss today. The first is setting page orientation, second setting the page size, and third printing a document. In page orientation, we have two types of page orientation. The first one is portrait and the second one is landscape. Now, how can you use page orientation? Before that, you should know the meaning of this word. In your layout tab, you have orientation option. When you will click, you can see there are two options. The first one is portrait and the second one is landscape. Portrait means your text or your document will be displayed in a lengthy manner. Okay, it will be displayed according to the length of the document, whereas in landscape the document will be displayed in the form of its width. You can see the difference between both these options. These are the orientations available in MS Word. Now, by default, MS Word always uses portrait. If you want to convert it into landscape, you have to click in the landscape option, and then you can see here the document is now shown in a different manner. If I come again for the portrait option, you can see again the presentation has changed. This is what orientation does with your document. The second thing which I'm going to explain right now is setting the page size. Now, as orientation was available in the layout tab, similarly size option is also available in the layout tab. You can see just beside orientation we have size. Now, when you click on the size button, you can see there are different type of sizes given. So you can just easily select one of the given sizes and the document will have that particular size. Before confirming a size for your document, you should be well aware that your printer which is connected to the computer or your laptop should be able to print the document in the given size. You can customize the size by going on to more paper sizes. When you will click on it, see you have paper size. You can change the paper size accordingly. Then you can change the width. You can see if I increase the width, you can see in the preview the document's size is increasing width wise. Okay, if I am decreasing the height, you can see the document's height is also decreasing. So in this way you can customize the width, height and paper size of your document. This is how you do the setting of the page size. Okay. The last option which I am going to explain today is printing a document. Now you all know for printing a document you have to go to the file tab. When you will click on the file tab, you have the print option here. You have to click on the print option. Here you have the option to print all the pages. So you just have to click it here. Here you can print all the pages or you can print the current page. What do you mean by current page? It is the page wherever your cursor is right now. You can custom print, you can select which all pages you want to print and then you can give it that particular command also. So these are the printing options. You have to just click on whichever option you want. If your computer or your laptop is connected with any of a printer, then the printing work will be started as soon as you click on the print command here. You can see the button of print command. When you will click on this, your printing work will start. Since my computer is not connected with a printer, so it won't find any printer and this will create a problem. But by clicking on the print command, you can print your document. Okay. Now in print command, there are two types of printing options given to you. First is collated and the second one is uncollated. What is collated? Collated means, for example, if you want to print lot of copies, okay, if you want to print lot of copies of a document may have many pages. So collated will give you the option to print a single copy of each page. Then it will start for the second copy of each page. So every time when one whole set is completed, then only it will start for the second round of copies of the same document. But uncollated means you can print multiple copies of the same page at one time. It means you will first get 2 copies of page 1, then you will get 2 copies of page 2. So collated and uncollated can be selected according to your requirement. If you are taking the photocopy of a particular notebook, then you want 1 copy of each page, and then you will go for the second copy if you have to give 1 copy to your friend also. Then you will go for collated. It will print the first page, then the second page, then the third page, then the fourth page, then the fifth page. Then for your friend again it will do it for the first page, second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page. So here you will get 2 documents with 5 pages. Now uncollated will do what? It will first make 2 copies of the first page, then 2 copies of the second page, then 2 copies of the third page. Accordingly, it will create copies of all the pages given to it. So that's how collated and uncollated works. I hope you are clear with all 3 options or all 3 points which we have discussed today. Thank you.